Hi guys, I'm gonna eat Kit Kat now. Like in my last video, I ate lunch meat. So now I'm gonna eat the Kit Kat. Should I break it? No. Actually, yeah, I broke it. Oh my god, this has holes, like the cheese from lunch meat. Oh my god, it's sticking to me. Okay, I'm gonna done. And I'm gonna eat bar by bar. If you haven't ate Kit Kat before, inside is cracker and it's just covered in chocolate. I'm pretty sure most of you watching have actually ate Kit Kat before because it's super popular. I feel like if you're in school still, I feel like everyone in your class has eaten Kit Kat before unless they're from a different country that like doesn't eat they don't speak English or something. Like they're born in a different country, or I don't know. Depends. I love Kit Kat. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.